Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Psych E-Pathshala. Go to our channel homepage and click on the subscribe button. And to get notified for our future videos, click on the bell icon and choose the all option. To answer daily quiz on psychology, search for Psych E-Pathshala on Facebook and like our page. So let's start this video. In this video, we will be discussing about the brain, its location, certain classification and the brain ventricles. The brain is a major part of the central nervous system. It is the most complex as well as a very delicate structure that plays a central role in all our activities. The activities can be as simple as walking, talking, etc., or as complex as learning, thinking, decision making, etc. The brain is situated in our cranium, or better known as the cavity of our skull, and it weighs around 1.36 kilogram. The brain is covered with meninges, which has three layers: the dura mater, which is the outer layer, the arachnoid mater, which is the middle layer, and the pia mater, which is the innermost layer. Together, they form a shield or cover on the brain that protects it from any physical injury or any outside antigen. The brain mostly consists of three main regions. That is forebrain, that includes cerebral cortex, also known as telencephalon, and thalamus and hypothalamus, which are together called the diencephalon. The another region of the brain is midbrain, which includes tectum and tegmentum, together known as mesencephalon, and the lowermost part of the brain is hindbrain, which consists of cerebellum, pons, and medulla oblongata. The cerebellum and pons are together called metencephalon, and medulla oblongata is known as the myelencephalon. In the picture on the screen, the orange area is the forebrain, the green area is the midbrain, and the pink or purple area is known as the hindbrain. The brain contains a series of hollow, interconnected chambers called the ventricles, which are filled with cerebrospinal fluid. As you can see from the picture, the blue areas are the brain ventricles. The largest chambers are the lateral ventricles, also known as the first and second ventricle, located in the center of the telencephalon. These two are connected with the third ventricle, which is the ventricle located in the center of the diencephalon. Its walls divide the surrounding part of the brain into symmetrical halves. The lateral ventricles constitute the first and second ventricles. The cerebral aqueduct, which is a narrow tube interconnecting the third and the fourth ventricle of the brain, is located in the center of the mesencephalon. The fourth ventricle is located between the cerebellum and the dorsal pons in the center of the metencephalon. Interestingly, people suffering from schizophrenia show an enlarged brain ventricle compared to non-schizophrenia individuals. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click on the circle to subscribe to our channel. Click on the boxes to watch other videos on our channel. Like this video and share it with your friends.